The Vivo Y200 is a budget-friendly smartphone designed for users who prioritize a balance between performance, camera quality, and design. Below are the detailed specifications of the device. Display size 6.67 inches. Type AMOLED display. Resolution 2400 x 1080 pixels. Full HD+. Refresh rate 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gameplay. Peak brightness 800 nits. Good for outdoor visibility. Processor chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 1. CPU octa-core 2x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A7 8 and 6x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55. GPU Adreno 619 for smooth graphics handling. Memory and storage RAM 8 GB offers smooth multitasking and gaming experience. Internal storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, ample storage for apps, games, and media. Expandable storage, no external SD card support. Camera, rear camera setup, primary camera, 64MP, f1.79 aperture, main sensor. Secondary camera, 2MP, depth sensor. Macro camera, 2MP. Features, night mode, portrait, panorama, slow-mo, time-lapse, Superman, Pro mode, and more. Front camera, 16MP with f2.0 aperture for high-quality selfies. Battery capacity, 4,800 mAh, provides all-day battery life for most users. Charging, 4W fast charging, quick charging capability. Operating system, OS, Android 13 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 13 skin, provides an intuitive and customizable experience. Design, dimensions, 162.35 x 74.85 x 7.69 mm. Weight, 190 g, comfortable in hand. Build material, glass back with a sleek, modern design. Fingerprint sensor, in-display optical fingerprint sensor for security. Colors, available in various colors, including desert gold. Network and connectivity, SIM configuration, dual nano SIM with dual SIM dual standby, DSDS. Network support, 5G, 4G LTE, 3G, and 2G. Wi-Fi 6 support for fast wireless internet. Bluetooth 5.1. USB Type-C. Additional features, ingress protection, IP5 for radio, dust and water resistant. Audio, standard audio output, supports high-quality audio playback. Sensors, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Pricing, approximate 8 GB RAM, plus 128 GB storage. PKR 59,999. 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. PKR 65,999. Other details, fast charging, supports for W flashcards, meaning the phone can charge quickly and efficiently. Night mode and eye features, enhanced photography features for low light and professional style photos.